Welcome to KP Points. In last lecture, we discussed top 50 MCQs of how do organisms reproduce. And now in this lecture, we discuss top 50 MCQs heredity. Clear? Class 10 CBSE PYQ-based. Clear? Start. First question is, the transmission of characters from parent to offspring is known as variation? No. Heredity? Yes. So, parent to offspring transfer of characters and features called heredity. Clear? Question number 2. The study of heredity and variation is called biology? No. Genetics? Yes. Correct answer is B. Question number 3. The unit of heredity is DNA? No. Chromosome? No. Gene? Yes. Clear? Because functional part of DNA known as gene or unit of inheritance or heredity called gene. Question number 4. Genes are located on cell wall? No. Cytoplasm? No. Chromosomes? Yes. This is chromosome and this is DNA and DNA have genes. Clear? Question number 5. The physical expression of a gene is called physical expression. Is that means you can see the expression of a gene. So genotype? No. Phenotype? Yes. Like tall and dwarf character of P. So tall and dwarf is a physical expression. Question number 6. The alternate forms of a gene are known as chromosomes? No. Alleles? Yes. Alternate form of genes are known as alleles. Like this is chromosome. Chromosome have DNA and DNA have genes. This is capital A and alternate form of capital A is small a. So capital A and small a are alleles to each other. Clear? Question number 7. Who is known as the father of genetics? Charles Darwin? No. Gregor Mendel? Yes. G.J. Mendel. Question number 8. Mendel performed his experiment on pea plant? Yes. And scientific name of pea plant? Scientific name of pea plant is Pisum sativum. Clear? Question number 9. The scientific name of pea plant? Pisum sativum. Answer A. Question number 10. Mendel's work was rediscovered by Darwin? No. Hugo de Brich? Yes. Karl Corens and T. Seymour? Yes and no. Question number 11. The law of segregation is also called law of purity of gametes. Clear? Question number 12. Which of the following represents a homozygous condition? Capital T, small t is a heterozygous, not homozygous. Capital T, yes, this is homozygous condition. Capital T, small t, also heterozygous. Number 13. The contrasting character studied by Mendel were 3, 5. Answer is 7. Question number 14. The pea plant. In pea plant, tallness, capital T, is dominant over dwarfness, small t. What will be the genotype of heterozygous tall plant? Tall, capital T, dwarf, small t, and this is heterozygous. Clear? So capital T, tall but not heterozygous, this is homozygous. Capital T, small t, yes. Answer is B. Question number 15. The ratio of pure tall, capital T, also homozygous. Hybrid tall, capital T, small t, heterozygous. Dwarf tall, homozygous, recessive. Plant in F2 generation. So correct answer is 1:2:1. Now question is how? So capital T, small t cross with capital T, small t. So capital T, small t, and then capital T, small t, and then small t, small t. So pure 1, impure or hybrid 2, and pure dwarf 1. So answer is 1:2:1. Question number 16. The phenotypic ratio obtained in monohybrid cross. Monohybrid cross. Phenotypic ratio. 1:2:1. No. 3:1. Yes. Monohybrid cross F2 generation. In F2 generation. Clear? Phenotypic ratio. Phenotypic physical expression. You can see clearly. Yes and no. This is capital T small, this is tall, and this is dwarf. So 2 and 1, 3, and 1, 3 is to 1. 3 tall and 1 dwarf. Clear? Question number 17. The genotypic ratio obtained in monohybrid cross. Genotypic ratio, this is genotypic ratio. So genotypic ratio is 1 is to 2 is to 1. Answer is B. Question number 18. In a dihybrid cross, the phenotypic ratio is obtained is dihybrid cross. So phenotypic ratio is 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. Clear? Question number 19. Mendel's law of independent assortment is based on monohybrid cross? No. Dihybrid cross? Yes. Correct answer is B. Question number 20. The observable trait in F1 generation is called dominant trait? Yes. F1 generation monohybrid, capital T cross with small t. This is tall, this is dwarf. So capital, first gamete formation, capital T, small t, and then fusion, capital T, small t. All tall. Clear? And tall is a dominant character. Dominant character. And this is recessive character. Question number 21. The trait which remains hidden in F1 generation. This is F1 generation. Or character which remains hidden is dwarf or recessive. This is recessive. So for F1 generation does not show dwarf, any dwarf. So the hidden character is recessive. Answer is B. Question number 22. The reappearance of hidden trait in F2 generation proves law of segregation? Yes. Now question is how? This is F1 generation and selfing with F1 generation. So capital T, and then capital T, capital T, small t, and then small t. And this is recessive character reappear in F2 generation. Is that means gamete always and always are pure. So law of segregation is that means purity of gametes. Clear? Question number 23. The number of pairs of chromosomes in human beings. Number of pairs of chromosome in human beings. 22. No. 23. Yes. 22 is autosomes and 23rd sex chromosome. Clear? Question number 24. The sex of a child is determined by mother? No. Father? Yes. Because father have X and Y chromosome and mother have X and X chromosome. So sex determined by father, not mother. Question number 25. Human females have XX chromosome? Yes. Question number 26. Human males have XX chromosome? No. XY chromosome? Yes. Question number 27. The percentage of male and female children born is roughly 25% of each? No. 50% of each? Yes. Correct answer is B. Now question is how? So XX is female, cross with XY is male, always X and maybe X and maybe by gamete. So this X fused with this X is that means female child XX, and this X fused with this Y and form XY is that means boy child. So both have 50% probability. 50%. Now how many females? 1 out of 2. How many boys? 1 out of 2. This is 50% and this is also 50%. Clear? Question number 28. Which of the following control sex determination in humans? Autosomes? No. Sex chromosomes? Yes. Sex chromosomes are differ in male and female. Autosomes are same in all human beings. Maybe male, maybe female. Question number 29. Which chromosome carries male determining factor? X? No. Y? Yes. Question number 30. A man having XY chromosome will produce gametes containing both X and Y? No. Only X? Only Y? No. Half X and half Y? Yes. Correct answer is D. Like X and Y. Maybe X, maybe Y. Question number 31. Variations are caused due to Asexual reproduction? No. Sexual reproduction? Yes. Most common source of variation is sexual reproduction. Question number 32. Variation is important for evolution? Yes. So most common source of variation is sexual reproduction, and this is important for evolution. Question number 33. Which of the following statement is true regarding inheritance? Acquired traits are inherited. This is Lamarck theory. Incorrect, wrong. Inherited traits are controlled by genes. Yes, inherited traits controlled by genes, and genes is the unit of inheritance. So correct answer is B. Question number 34. Which of the following is an acquired trait? Acquired trait, eye color? No. Tongue rolling? No. Muscular body due to exercise? Yes. Question number 35. Which of the following is an inherited trait? Speaking English? Inherited? No. Ability to roll tongue? Yes. Answer is B. Question number 36. Acquired traits do not transfer to pregnancy because they change body cells only? Yes. Because of somatic cells. Question number 37. The hereditary material in human being is RNA? No. DNA? Yes. Question number 38. The number of chromosomes in human sperm cell is 46? No. 23? Yes. Now question is why? Because human sperm cell is haploid, and N means 23. If 2N somatic cells is 46 chromosome. Clear? Question number 39. The number of chromosome in human zygote is 23? No. 46? Yes. 23 in male sperm or male gamete, and this is male gamete, and 23 in female gamete. Both are fused, form zygote. This is N, and zygote is 2N and have 46 chromosome. Clear? Question number 40. The process by which characteristics are transmitted from one generation to another is called fertilization. Heredity? Yes, correct answer is heredity. Question number 41. Characters that are expressed in offsprings even when only one copy is present. Recessive? No. Dominant? Yes. Correct answer is B. Question number 42. Traits that appear only when both alleles are identical. Is that means homozygous? When traits appear only and only homozygous condition, is that means dominant? No. This is recessive. Question number 43. The factor responsible for eye color, hair color, etc. is chromosomes, genes. Question number 44. If a tall plant, capital T small t, is crossed with dwarf small t, the expected ratio of tall and dwarf plant will be. Now firstly, capital T cross with small t. This is dwarf and this is tall. Tall form two types of gametes, capital T, small t, and dwarf form one type of gamete, small t, and this fused with this. So capital T and small t form with fused with small t. So this is like this is tall and this is dwarf. How many tall? 1 out of 2. How many dwarf? 1 out of 2. Is that means 50-50%. Means 1:1. 1 tall, 1 dwarf. Question number 46, 45. A pure tall plant, capital T, crossed with dwarf plant, small t, produce all tall plants. This show dominancy. Question number 46. Which of the following is not related to Mendel's law? Segregation related, independent assortment related, dominancy related, mutation no or not related with Mendel's laws. Question number 47. A cross between two individuals differing in two traits is called monohybrid? No. Dihybrid? Yes. Question number 48. The father of modern genetics performed experiments in 18th century? No. 19th century? Yes. Question number 49. The ratio of gametes in dihybrid cross ratio of gametes in dihybrid cross? 2. No. Answer is 4. Question number 50. The genetic makeup of an organism is called phenotype. No. Genotype. Yes. Correct answer is B. And MCQs of heredity. If you want more this type of lecture, then comment yes in comment section. Clear?